who's showing off.
Oh. Yeah, not as much as James was, though.
Oh, we really must find that little Diesel another shed to sleep in.
Get ready to discover more roaring adventures with Thomas and Friends.
Wow!
6 amazing new episodes, scratch and match, full of monster-sized fun.
Look out!
New friends
Samson here at your service.
and surprises.
Now the fun part.
Thomas and Friends, Dinos and Discoveries.
I have Dinos and Discoveries on DVD, but it's the blank disc.
This year,
Is anybody here?
Thomas and Friends are back in a brand new movie adventure.
Footprints! The claws here! I really saw it!
Where only courage,
I've decided to be brave.
friendship,
Come on, we better find him before he gets into trouble.
and teamwork
They are really useful engines.
can save the day.
I must be brave.
Meet some new friends
I'm Marion. Timothy?
Oh, hi! Rach is the name. And join the fun. Here's a surprise for the biggest, bravest, and most spectacular adventure ever. Thomas and Friends, Tale of the Brave, the movie. Available now on DVD, Blu-ray, and digital download.
Listen, Percy. I'll stand in the tunnel.
Hello, I'm Thomas.
All aboard.
Here. Oh, it's that thing. Ugh, I hate Barney and Angelina Ballerina, but if you guys like those two shows, I can handle your opinion. I think that's just an ad for that Hard Rock thing. Here, I'm gonna fast forward this. Bob the Builder, which I like, even though that's the reboot. I'm neutral to the reboot. Oh, this is getting skipped. I hate Barbie, but if you guys like Barbie, I can handle your opinion. This is being played. I like Minions.
Minions!
This spells certain doom for the country, if not the world.
Minions.